welcome back to my channel. So as you can tell, we've got a little bit of a different background going on today. I have not used a backdrop in a very long time, so you know what, I felt like today's the day. I am kind of loving this color right now, so I think it's really cute, super summery, everything like that. But anyway, to get in today's video, we are going to do kind of like a little bit of an unboxing of Boxycharm and kind of a little mini review first impressions. I just signed up for Boxycharm, so this is my first box, and if you don't know what Boxycharm is, it is a subscription, and I believe you can subscribe monthly or you can pay like a bigger amount to get it yearly, but it is a monthly subscription. You get it every month. So I really liked the idea of this. I mean, $20 for one is really not that much, and if you get, you know, quite a few products that are actually high-end and good products, I think it's absolutely worth it. Let's go ahead and dig into this one. So first of all, you do get a little Boxycharm card, and it does give you a rundown of what is in the box. So this specific Boxycharm is the June Boxycharm, and yeah, so I don't want to show that too much because we're gonna go through it. So first thing I see is a little tiny box. I'm guessing it's probably lashes in here. It's from the brand Battington lashes, and let's take a look at them. Oh, actually those are really pretty. Not sure if you can see those too well. They almost look a little bit spiky on camera, but they are more fluffy and just kind of wispy, and they're actually really pretty, and I like them, so I think I would definitely use those. So on our little card right here, it says they are a 3D multi-layered silk lash, so that's awesome, and the regular price of this is $28, you guys, and we paid $20 for our box, so already you're getting your money's worth, so that's amazing. The next thing in here I am so excited about. It is the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. I love this lotion, you guys. It is, oh my god, it smells so good. You guys don't even know. Oh my god, just I love this smell. It just smells heavenly. If you have not smelled this, just please like go into your Sephora and smell it. You don't have to buy it, just smell it, and I promise you, you will most likely like it, especially if you like that kind of vanilla-y type of scent. Now, I do already own the full size of this because I love this, but I'm still so excited to have a little mini. Like, how cute is this? This is adorable. So I will definitely be bringing this for like vacations, or you know, just throw it in your purse. That type of thing is awesome to have. This little guy is worth $10, and it contains 0.84 fluid ounces compared to this one, which is about $45 or so, and it contains 8 fluid ounces. The next thing I am so excited about, so it has an OFRA liquid lipstick. I have heard so many good things about their liquid lipsticks and how they're just really comfortable and everything like that, and this is in the shade Verona. It seems like a very pretty kind of brownie nude shade. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. Oh wow, so that is actually quite a bit darker than I was thinking, but it is still a very pretty shade. Just not something I go for typically, but I do really like it nonetheless. This OFRA liquid lipstick retails for $21. So like I said, you guys, that is amazing. The box is only 20 bucks, and we already have like some pretty dang good items in here. Next up, we have an eyeliner. This is the Jonte Blue, I'm not sure how to pronounce that, Jonte Blue eyeliner pencil. It's in the shade 912 Charcoal, so it's just like a really nice kind of dark eyeliner. I'm gonna go ahead and swatch it for you guys. So it seems like a nice creamy eyeliner. It doesn't seem to tug or anything like that. So that's nice. I've never heard of that brand, but it is, let's see, that one is worth $5, so it must be kind of more of like a drugstore type of item. I'm really excited about this. The next item in here are the LUXIE Brushes, you guys. Do you see this? not only like are these super freaking cute, but like you get 3 of them. So this is worth $42, you guys. That in itself, honestly, I would totally get the Boxycharm box just for these 3 brushes. Like, that is an amazing deal. I've never owned any Luxie brushes, but I always hear such good things about them. And you know what? I'm gonna go ahead and open them up real quick. These are so incredibly soft. Wow. Okay, so this is the Duo Fiber brush. Super soft. Let's see, this one is the Tapered highlighter brush. Really cute. A little bit big for highlighting, but you don't have to use it just for highlighting. You can use it for anything. I was actually thinking this would be really good to like set your under eye concealer. And the last one is the Precision foundation brush, and wow, you guys, these are so soft. So there you have it, guys. There are the 3 brushes. Amazing quality so far from what I can feel, and I'm really excited about that. So the very last thing in this palette is also pretty dang exciting if you ask me. So it is actually an eyeshadow palette, you guys. Like, that is awesome. So I've actually heard really good things about Alamar Cosmetics. I believe it's Kathleen Light's, one of Kathleen Light's very good friends, who is a makeup artist. She created her own makeup line, which is awesome. This is what the inside of the palette looks like. Just super tropical and just really fun, and I really enjoy all of these colors. Like, it just kind of gives me that tropical kind of summer vibe. And let's see how much this is worth. This is worth $28. So if you wanted to actually go ahead and purchase this just on your own, this is actually not a bad price for an eyeshadow palette. I think that's really reasonable. So that is everything in the June Boxycharm box this month, and I am like so impressed. Like, everything in this box, I'm honestly not disappointed in. I mean, I don't really know about this eyeliner. I did go ahead and tally everything up, and this month's box came to $134 worth, which is just insane, you guys. Like, $134, but we're only paying $20. I don't know how they do that, but I ain't complaining. There you have it, guys. This is my first Boxycharm. Not disappointed. I cannot wait to receive more Boxycharms. Like, I can't wait to get next month's. I'm sure it's going to be amazing. So now I want to go ahead and get into the kind of try on portion, and I'm gonna go ahead and use everything from this box. So if you'd like to see me try on everything, then just keep watching. Alright, so since my base and brows are already done, I am going to go ahead and go in with the Alamar Cosmetics eyeshadow palette. And by the way, I forgot to mention, this is called the Reina del Caribe. I'm sorry if I butchered that, I probably did. That's what the name of this palette. But I'm going to go ahead and go into Cocoa Taxi and put that in like as a transition. So far the pigment doesn't seem like crazy pigmented or anything, but it definitely is buildable and it's blending out really nicely. Now I'm going to go ahead and go in with Tropical and put that in the crease as well, just kind of deepen it up a little bit. So now this one is definitely quite pigmented. Now I'm going to go ahead and deepen up the crease and go in with Cafecito, which is a really nice just matte brown shade, and I'm just going to kind of pack that on and really deepen it up. So I am dying to use either Veradero or Celia. I think those are beautiful shades. I'm just gonna swatch them real quick, and ooh, those feel really nice. So on the top here we have Celia and Veradero. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with Veradero, because that is just a beautiful vibrant shade, and woo, can I just look at that? Like, oh, living for that shade. I think I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my finger and just apply that to the lid. Wow, that that is some pigment. Gorgeous. On the inner corner, I'm going to go ahead and add a little bit of Celia, just to kind of blend it, kind of have that ombre effect. To kind of blend all this together, I'm going to go back in with Cafecito, which is that brown shade, and I'm going to go in the crease with a small little detail brush, which this is the M321, and I'm just going to kind of work that in the crease. To kind of further blend everything, I'm going to go back in with that first shade that we used, which was called Cocoa Taxi, and I'm just going to kind of put that over the transition and just blend everything out. So really just the Cocoa Taxi shade, which is this transition shade that I'm using, is the one that doesn't have like the most I guess pigment to it, but it is definitely buildable and it's beautiful. I think I'm gonna go ahead and take a little bit of Tropico and also put that underneath the lash line. Gonna take Cafecito one last time and also smudge that underneath the lash line. So that is it for the eyeshadow. I think everything performed beautifully, and I honestly am loving this palette, you guys. I can honestly say that I would purchase a palette from Alamar Cosmetics myself. I'm actually really excited to see what else she comes out with, because this is a beautiful, beautiful palette. Now I'm going to go ahead and use the eyeliner that came in the Boxycharm, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my lower lash line. To finish off the eyes, I am going to go ahead and apply the falsies that came in the Boxycharm. So I'm just going to pop these on and I will be right back. Okay guys, so lashes are on, and this one is like a tad bit crooked. Honestly, I could not tell which way they went, like which way was the inner corner and the outer corner, so I mean I just kind of went with it. I think this one might have been wrong, not sure, but don't mind that. Last but not least, I want to go ahead and apply the lip color. Now this I don't think this is really gonna go with the look, but just for the heck of it, just to kind of get a little first impressions of it, I do want to apply it. So just gonna go ahead and apply that real quick. Wow, you guys, that liquid lipstick is so thin. Doesn't even really feel like I have anything on my lips. It's so comfortable. So yeah, this is what the lips look like. I just wanted to put it on to just kind of give you a first impressions of the OFRA liquid lipstick, and 10 out of 10, honestly, like at least so far. So there you have it, guys. This is the look that I came up with all of the cosmetics that came in the Boxycharm box of June, and quite honestly, I really have no complaints other than these lashes. Like, they're a little bit itchy, you guys. Like, not that I'm having an allergic reaction, just like they're just scratching like my eye and they feel a little bit uncomfortable, which they do have a little bit of a thicker band than what I'm used to. If you guys use the Kiss Invisible Band lashes, then you know that those are like so comfortable, and you know there's like nothing there, and this one just has a little bit more of a thicker band to it, so it's a little bit more uncomfortable for me. Otherwise, if you guys are used to that, then this probably would be no issue to you. So yeah, if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. I will also be doing these monthly for you guys now, so stay tuned for that. And that's pretty much it for this video. Go ahead and turn those post notifications on so you know when my next video is, and don't forget to subscribe and comment down below what you thought of this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!